In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the problem when Chatgpt is unable to upload a file. If you've ever found yourself stuck because your file refuses to upload, don't worry. This guide is here to help you get through this process smoothly and effectively. First, let's begin by opening Chatgpt. Make sure you are logged into your account. It might sound simple, but starting fresh can often resolve many unexpected glitches. Once you have successfully logged in, move on to the next step. Now that you're in Chatgpt, it's important to check if file uploads are supported. Not every version or interface may support this feature, so it's crucial to confirm that you have the right setup. This will save you time and prevent any assumptions that might lead you astray. Let's talk about supported file types. Sometimes, the issue with file uploads can arise because the file format you are trying to upload isn't supported by Chatgpt. It's always good practice to double-check the types of files that the platform accepts. Typical file types generally include PDFs, images, or text files. So if your file isn't uploading, this could be the main obstacle in your path. Next, we have a technical aspect, checking your internet connection and browser. A stable internet connection is fundamental when dealing with uploads. If your connection is weak, you might experience difficulties. It's also a great idea to ensure that your browser is updated to the latest version. An outdated browser can often be the silent culprit behind many issues. Another element to consider is the size of the file you are attempting to upload. Different platforms have varying limits on file size, and exceeding these might be causing your error. Take a moment to confirm the size of your file before attempting to upload it again. If necessary, you might want to compress the file or split it into smaller parts. Finally, if you've been logged in for an extended period, it's possible that your upload permission token has expired. In this case, logging out and then logging back in can refresh your session and might just solve the problem. This step can be particularly useful if the error appeared unexpectedly after you had been working in the platform for some time. These steps should steer you towards resolving the issue of being unable to upload files to Chatgpt. Remember, troubleshooting is all about crossing off each potential problem until you narrow down the solution. By systematically checking each of these areas, you're more likely to identify and fix the issue efficiently. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this helps you get back to work swiftly. Happy uploading!